My name is Timothy Willox. I'm an associate attorney in the firm's Social Security Disability Department. And what I love about my job is helping clients in a very, very difficult time in their lives. They find themselves disabled, unable to work, unable to provide for their families, put food on the table. And being able to take that pressure off, even in the smallest amount, goes a long way. If I had one word to describe Harding Mazzotti, it'd be compassionate. Compassion sets us apart from any firm out there because it lets us establish a very genuine connection with the client, something that many firms have trouble doing, frankly. We care about these clients, we care about their issues, we care about their circumstances, their history, what happened to them. Of course, no one wants to call a personal injury law firm for any particular reason. In a perfect world, we wouldn't exist, we'd be out of business, but if we don't live in the perfect world, we want to be there for them in these difficult times in their lives. And it's compassion that I think this firm excels at, to establish that connection with the client, to allow us to provide the best possible representation we can. I grew up around here, actually born at St. Peter's Hospital, went to Union College, was actually a commuter student, lived at home most of the time, ended up going to Albany Law School, so never really was ever too far from home. And I grew up listening to commercials, seeing the billboards, and to be quite honest, I never thought I would end up here. My mother asked me once, did you ever think in your wildest dreams that you would find your way here? And I told her I had no clue, but I couldn't be happier here. Obviously, I've grown up knowing the tune, knowing the jingle, knowing this place existed, but I didn't realize just how involved this firm has been in the community until I got here, and realize, the events we sponsor, the community days, the bike helmets, the trunk or treat, just being here in the community, being part of the community. I couldn't think of any other firm that really does that gives back to the people in the way that Harding Mazzotti does. I tell a client who's considering Harding Mazzotti that they made the best possible choice when it comes to seeking legal representation, whether it be Social Security Disability, car accident, workers' compensation, employment law, medical malpractice. Really anything that we could do for them, they made the best possible choice. I don't think there's any firm like us.